Hello and welcome to From the Roots Up, where we're building our homestead little by little from the roots up. I'm Kristy and today we are going to be making banana chips. It is day 10 in our Every Bit Counts challenge, where we're putting back a little bit of food every day for the entire month of August. Today I have these old bananas that if I don't do something with are going to be unusable pretty soon. I thought we'd bust out the dehydrator once again and go ahead and make some banana chips. Now, before we get to cutting these banana chips, we want to make a mixture. We're gonna mix 2 cups of water and half a cup of lemon juice. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna keep the bananas from browning. So right when we cut the bananas, we're gonna dip them in this. This is a really easy process. We're just gonna peel the bananas, cut them, put them in here. Then we're going to lay them on the dehydrator tray. Now we wanna make sure that there's space between them on the dehydrator tray because the closer they are together, the longer they're going to take to dehydrate. Let's go ahead and get started. We were able to get almost 3 whole trays out of those bananas. Now we're gonna take them back and put them in the dehydrator. We have a 9-tray Excalibur Dehydrator, and we're gonna go ahead and put these in there. I'm gonna take the lid off, and then I'll just stick the racks in. I'm gonna go get the other tray of bananas. And we're gonna put the lid back on the front, just hangs down. For bananas, we're gonna set the temperature to 135 and it'll take about 12-ish hours. So we'll check them a couple times between now and then and we'll pull them out when we're ready. Let's set the temperature. All right, time to check on our banana chips. Just gonna pull this off here. And those look perfect. Delicious. All right, we're gonna seal them up. Okay, now that we have the bananas all dehydrated, the only thing left to do is to put them in a container to store them. I'm gonna store them in a glass jar and I'm gonna remove the air. So let's go ahead and put them in the jar. All right, we've got our bananas, and the only thing left to do is to seal them. With this food saver attachment, I'm just gonna put the lid on without the ring. I'm gonna attach this little jar sealer. I'm gonna pull out my sealing accessory, put it in, turn the food saver on, and click the accessory button. And then we pull this off and the lid's all sealed. And these will last on the shelf up to a year. So they have a pretty long shelf life. And then you can just eat them plain, or you can put them in oatmeal or something like that. They're delicious, and these are definitely not gonna last a year on our shelf. I have a tiny one that loves to snack on dehydrated fruit. So this will not last very long. That's it for day 10 of our Every Bit Counts challenge. We've got some bananas to put away. Thank you so much for joining us. Be sure to hit that like button, and to continue seeing updates, we're going to be preserving something every day in the month of August. So if you want to get those updates, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can see when we post new videos. Thanks so much for joining us.